I swim and fly, and when it rains, it rolls right off my back. But I'm a duck, so all I say is quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
I'm in the field, I'm in the barn, my milk is good for you. But I'm a cow, so all I say is moo, moo, moo. I'm round and fat, I eat a lot, and lots of times I'm pink. But I'm a pig, so all I say is oink, oink, oink. My fur is soft, my tail is long, I might be purring now. But I'm a cat, so all I say is meow, meow, meow. I'm not real big, my wool is soft, I like grass more than straw. But I'm a sheep, so all I say is ba, ba, ba. I have a beak and I lay eggs, and when I'm mad I squawk. But I'm a chicken, all I say is buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck, buck. You pat me and I wag my tail, I'm happy and that's proof. But I'm a dog, so all I say is woof, woof, woof. I'm big and strong, you ride on me, I eat grass, oats, and hay. But I'm a horse, so all I say is neigh, neigh, neigh. Field or barnyard, we're happy all day long. So come along and play with us and sing this silly song.